The Kaohsiung rapid transit system is a rapid transit and light rail system covering the metropolitan area of Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Construction of the MRT started in October 2001, the MRT opened in 2008 and the circular light rail in 2015. Two of Kaohsiung's MRT stations, Formosa Boulevard and Central Park, were ranked among the top 50 most beautiful subway systems in the world by metrobits.org in 2011. In 2012, the two stations respectively are ranked as the second and the fourth among the top 15 most beautiful subway stops in the world by Boots & All. In November 2006, the first trial runs began on the Red Line. In January 2007, the last concrete slabs were laid for the 37 planned stations. The Orange Line fully opened for service on 14th of September 2008. Ridership has been far below expectations, with an average of 100,000 of passengers per day versus an expected 360,000 of passengers. As of December 2013, the average daily ridership stands at about 178,975 passengers, with ridership figures significantly greater on weekends than on weekdays. The R1, R2 and O3 stations were planned originally but never built. The R1 and R2 stations were cancelled before construction, and the plan of O3 was abandoned after a fire in the nearby underground shopping mall. The MRT is made up of two lines with 37 stations covering a distance of 42.7 kilometers. 27 of these stations are underground, with 8 elevated and 2 at grade level. All underground stations have full-height platform screen doors. The Light Rail Transit (LRT) system consists of one line with 14 stations and a length of 8.7 kilometers with 1 elevated and 13 ground level. The total length of Red Line is approximately 28.3 kilometers with 24 stations on the route, of which 15 are underground, 8 elevated and 1 at the ground level. The total length of the Orange Line is approximately 14.4 kilometers with 14 stations on the route. All stations are underground except the Iliao station, which is at the ground level. The circular LRT, aka Kaohsiung LRT Kaohsiung Tram for Kaohsiung City, is a planned light rail line. The Kaohsiung MRT is expected to be extended further into parts of Greater Kaohsiung as well as Pingtung County. The rolling stock is based on the Siemens modular metro design manufactured by Siemens Mobility. Trains run in 3-car sets and are powered by third rail. LED displays are installed above every alternate door showing the name of the current station and next station in Chinese and English. Automated announcements are made in Mandarin, Taiwanese, Hakka and English, with Japanese announcements at the major stations. The fares of KMRT is distance-based. Kaohsiung Arena Station, Formosa Boulevard Station and Kaohsiung International Airport Station feature artworks integrating into the design of the station by international artists. Total number of stations is 45. Total number of lines is 3. Annual ridership is 6,804,500 million of passengers in 2018. The system length is 47.3 kilometers.